that shit too. I'm gonna make sure he hears that.
I love you, Cuzzle. I should see if you answer it. I should do a fucking call. A video call, shit. Want to? Wait till Mecca gets here. Actually, this is pretty cool.
No shit. Welcome to the camping life, brah. Hey, how was your day snowboarding on the the bunny hill? So we got our snow and like you don't have your the Everton.
And he was like a Spanish guy. He was like Barcelona. Like, fuck him. Oh, not only Kit. You gotta get the.
Oh goddamn. Just help him with his wood.
I don't need no help with my wood. Just so you know. Just so
get the fire going. It helps to get the fire going.
Rent this car or what? That's my brother's car. Oh, okay.
Oh shit! I was like, this guy took a rental all week.
No, that's my brother's car. Sun Devil. He's a Sun Devil. Yeah.
He took that. Oh yeah, he did. Yeah, he told me. Yeah.
My ex is a wildcat. Lisa, she's a wildcat.
Oh, is she?
We went out there for his graduation and everything. Oh, nice. I was like reminiscent.
Oh,
of the,
sweet.
all the
That
spots
yeah,
that
for real.
We went to Scottsdale.
Anything else we grabbing?
Well, there's one extra wood.
No, we bringing it. Dude, it goes by fast, bro.
I didn't know because I saw it. I was like, where the fuck is this dude?
It's small, but it goes by fast, bro.
See, that's why you gotta tell me these things.
I didn't know, like.
You didn't know? Or
I mean, I knew, but
you
like.
know that, how will I know?
Because I saw wood in there, so I figured we can use it, but it's waterlogged.
Dude, if you didn't respond, I would have just got one. Just like, oh, man, this shit is huge.
Is it?
This is a chili cook-off, and I'm gonna taste this wonderful Hairflips and Layups chili. I'm gonna try a little.
I like your little spoon. Put it in your mouth.
Excellent. This is the winning chili. This is the winning chili.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Cold as shit. I think it's like 30 degrees, but it's what time is it, Neil? 8:20. We're taking a shot for surviving winter camping. Max pouring. And what the hell are you doing, Neil? No, what are you doing with your legs? Turn that? What'd you do to it, bro?
I told you, I was telling the car it got wet, so I threw it on my car.
Put it on.
Put it on?
Yeah. Put it on. Wow.